Mauritania, and what I see starts to appear very interesting. I now feel I'm on a real adventure and life needs a closer look. It's not all virgin Sahara. In fact, as a Mad Max location for a new film, the Mauritanian border is a good place to start. But it doesn't take long to get into the real culture of the place, and goat's meat on the menu is as important as anything you can see or feel. Nomads tend their flock and sell the meat to live. Yet different though our cultures are, there is always a curiosity from both sides, and nothing could present a starker contrast than the Dakar rolling into town. And when I was last here, en route to Timbuktu on my trusty XT660, look what I've got now.